afternoon, this is Indira Shah here. Today I am going to show you a very interesting snack of Karnataka. Every person in Karnataka will love it. This is Kod Bale. Kod Bale means it's a snack, it's a deep fried snack, but very tasty. You have to try this. You need very minimum ingredients. Okay, what you need is 4 cups of rice flour. Okay, any cup measurement you take. I have taken this cup measurement. You can take any measurement. You can take either in this cup or when you try for the first time, take a very small cup. Okay, so 4 measurement of rice flour. Okay, 4 measurement of rice flour, 1 measurement of maida. Here, maida I have taken, then half chiroti rava. Okay, the measurement should be pakka. Then 1 cup of fresh coconut. Okay, fresh coconut and red chilies according to taste. That you need to just dry fry it because that will be, we should grind it. And then little jeera and then hot oil. Okay, this is what you need. First what you do is, you can grind this 1 cup of ground coconut and little jeera here. Okay, little jeera. Then asafoetida is very important for a good flavor here. Okay, and then the red chili, the whole red chili. You can just make them into pieces and grind, adding little water. Now what you do is, the 1 cup of maida that you have taken, you just heat it. Okay, heat it in the sense the color should not be changed. When you touch it like this, you should feel the heat. That's all. Okay, so just fry it. Keep frying it now. Don't just leave it and go here and there, because otherwise the bottom, the maida at the bottom will turn black or brown. Then your kod bale will go for a toss. I want all of you to prepare this and enjoy the Karnataka special kod bale, the yummy kod bale. Whenever for the evening tea, this will be very nice. Or when you are going on a trip or a tour with friends or anything, this will be very tasty. You add the chili according to your family taste. Okay, usually kod bale will be little pungent, little. So now you just touch it and see. Yes, it's hot now. See, I am feeling the heat. Now put it off. Put off the stove and add the half cup rava. Okay, half cup rava. The stove is off. It's not hot. Sorry, it's not on. The stove is off. Now add this to the 4 cups of rice flour. See, here I have added 4 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of heated maida. The maida should be made hot in such a way that when you touch it, you should feel the heat. Okay, that's it. And to the same heated maida, put off the gas and add half a cup of chiroti rava, the fine rava. Okay, sorry. So mix them well now. Mix all the 3 well. Now to this you add require salt. Okay. Now mix it using your fingers. Once you have mixed it, now this is the grounded chutney. This is again 1 cup of grated coconut and little jeera and little asafoetida and the red chili, the required red chili. Red chili you should just make it hot. because that will be, you can, grind it easily. That is the reason we make it hot. Now add this chutney to this. See, now I have mixed the flour, salt and the chutney. Okay. Now you have to heat about 4 to 5 spoons of oil and put it on this here. You can see the sizzling sound. So the oil should be hot. Don't touch it immediately. Just mix it with the spoon. After mixing it, see, the quantity is this much. If the quantity is very less, then you can make the kotbale, you can add the water to the whole flour. See, now the quantity is more. So what I am going to do is, half I will be removing, and then only to the half I will be adding water. So once that first half gets over, then I will be adding water for the second half. Okay. So now let me mix the oil. Now mix it thoroughly. Okay. The oil should get mixed evenly. When you try for the first time, maybe you can take one rice flour, then like that, quarter maida, and little lesser than that chiroti rava. It's only for you when you start. Okay, now what I will do is, so I'll take only half. Now to this half, I am going to add water, and see this, if you want, you can refrigerate this. You can put it in a ziplock and refrigerate, and whenever you want, you can make it. Okay, now let me add water little by little and make a soft dough like a chapati dough. Here, dough is made. See, it should be like this. You can see. Okay. Now take little by little here. Okay. Make a ball and then roll it like this. Don't make it very thick nor very thin. Okay. Let it be medium. Here. And then press it here and put it on a cloth, not on a newspaper. Newspaper, the ink that they use is poisonous, chemical. Not poisonous, it is chemical. So don't use newspaper. And in the meantime, I have kept oil for frying. See, the oil should become hot, but then it should not give fumes. So what happens when it gives fumes? The oil will be very hot, and when you drop the kotbales, very fast it will get fried. So, but the inside part will stay raw. So you cannot enjoy the kotbale. Okay, always keep it in the minimum mode. See, the oil is hot, but it's not giving any fumes. Now I have just dropped this to check if the oil is hot. Yes, this is hot enough. Now see, I have made the kotbales here. Now let me drop them one by one. Drop them slowly from the corner. So be careful when you drop them. Immediately after dropping, don't turn it, okay? I can add one more small one. Now wait. Let it be in sim. You can see this is in sim. You can just check. Now you can turn them. The sound, yeah, the bubbling sound will reduce. When the bubbling sound reduces, then you can remove them. Okay? This is on the sim mode. Yeah. The sound has not been reduced still. Yeah, the sound has reduced and the color also has turned golden. Okay? So now you can remove them. Now wait for 2 minutes for the oil to get heated again. Just 2 minutes to drop the second round. See, it's 2 minutes. Now let me drop the second round of Kodbale. The reason why we don't mix the flour together with water is for Kodbale, the dough should not get the dough should not get soaked. Okay, the moment you make the dough, you have to roll them into the circle and then put it in oil. So that is the reason why we add water portion wise. Okay, I made 3 portions now. If you take a very less quantity, then with one shot you can add the water and make the dough. But see that you don't soak the dough. Okay, that's the reason. Otherwise the kotbale will become soft. Here the kotbale is ready. The second kotbale is getting baked. Now I know you will all love this. Please make it and give me your sincere feedback and follow the recipe thoroughly. Okay, you will get a very crispy. Here you can see you can hear the sound. Very crispy kotbales. You can enjoy the Karnataka well-known kotbale, good snack for the evenings. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and inform your friends also. Press the like and the bell button for more notification. Thank you very much. This is with Vela.